everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So if it's your first time here, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I take my product pictures. So a lot of you guys have been asking me on Instagram to show you what I use to take my pictures and like the setting and everything that I do. So if you want to see how I take my product pictures and how I make them look so professional on my website, keep on watching. So let's get into the equipment that I use. So the camera that I use most of the time is the Canon EOS M6 Mark II, and this is what it looks like. It has the 15 to 45 mm lens. It's also the kit lens, so it came with it when I got the camera. And honestly, it's not bad. It's really good. I love it, especially when you go outside to take your photos like under the sun. So beautiful, you guys. I love this camera. So I always use this lens when I'm taking group photos. Like if I have a lot of products in one photo, then I use this. But if I want to get like close-ups and like pictures of like single products or like detailed photos, I use my 100mm zoom lens. So it allows me to zoom in to the products and get like really good close-ups. So this lens is also not bad. I got it from Amazon also, and all of these are from Amazon. I'm going to leave the links down below for you guys just in case you guys want to get them as well. So apart from my camera, I also take photos and videos with my iPhone. And that's what I'm filming with right now. I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max and it's awesome, you guys. The ring light that I use is also from Amazon. So it looks like that. It's been a year since I started using this ring light and it's still good, you guys. So I'm going to also link this in the description. So this is the one I use most of the time. So for my setup, I have this cardboard. It's from the dollar store. It's a little bit dirty, but it will still get the job done, guys. So that's what I have for the background. And also on this, so this is just a container that I put my clothes in. Home stuff from the Dollar Tree. It's just a, I don't know what it's called, but that. And the pink thing is actually a wallpaper that I got from Amazon. The back has this adhesive thing that you can just stick onto any surface. So that's what my setup looks like from Amazon, Dollar Tree. Okay.